Hi everyone. It gives me great honor to introduce you all to Mutsa Ore, who has been given this award for her positive attitude while learning the Mbira with Tafi Matiure. She was one of the quickest learners in the Zumbira program, but she challenged herself to not get bored by learning more and by mastering what she already knew. That self-discipline will take her far with whatever she works on, and we are very excited to see her creative journey. Here is Mutsa performing a bit of what she's learned during her Zumbira lessons with Tafi.